It takes huge balls to decide, I'm gonna go down this rabbit hole 2 to 3 years before 90% of people in America did. Okay, most people are like, let's let a whole bunch of these get out in the market and stuff like that, and then we'll get involved. That's how you get left in the dust. My guy in Ohio, there were 5 countertop granite companies in his area. He owned one of them. Everybody's selling granite. Before he should have, and not knowing anything about it, he went and bought a CNC, something that would cut all the circles, cut all that shit into shape. Within 3 years, everybody but one of his customers was out of business. They just couldn't compete with him. He used technology to kill his competition. Then, when his market was up here and he held all the market share and things were great, he sold his company. Then he's sitting around, I got a ton of cash, I don't know what to do with, but maybe I'll buy a concrete printer. And that's how he got involved with us. So, he used technology to get there. You guys don't want to be 3rd, 4th, 5th fiddle in this transition that's happening in construction. Lead the market, control the market, get much area as you can with a printer that does what nobody else can do.